Hello. Hopefully my microphone is fine today. I recorded a video yesterday and then I watched it back and my microphone was not working properly. I sounded like a robot. What did I break? So, I can't even remember what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I was gonna investigate this, that I somehow broke that yesterday. So once I get this building again. Oh, let me put this. What have I done? Fucking hell. Oh yeah, something I've been meaning to do for a million years is add this option, subsystem console. So it'll be something like is MSVC and debug. Then add that. Okay. And then go. Okay, good. What was I doing? Oh yeah, so this should be fine now. This is gonna make it go silent, I think. Or is it? No, it's fine. Okay, I guess I fixed that yesterday and didn't make a note of it. No, it's not even... Okay, this is not fixed. That didn't change the plugin by the sounds of it. Right. What? How do I clear warp markers? It's not respecting warp markers, I guess. Okay, I didn't. Okay. Hold it. Okay, warp markers are just being ignored, so that's a new one. So there's all these new bugs because of more refactoring work that I've done. Warp markers ignored audibly. Right. That should be probably easy to fix. What was the debugging process for that, actually? I guess I would go in here. They're not being... Yeah, it's just audibly they're being ignored, so... The first thing I would look at, I guess, is... compiled... block. No, compiled... blink program data. Is that it? Nope. Compiled core. Just trying to remember where the warp data is. There it is. And then I would look in compiler warp. Just search for warp. Compile blink. So just eyeballing the code, it looks like it's doing the right thing. Okay. Let's have a look. So is this happening? Yes. So it's good. 2. I'll do this. And that's 3, so that's fine. That all seems fine. How does that get into the plugin? I don't remember. How does it get in there? Can't find it. Sampler. Warp points. Well, that's not even happening at all. Render path sampler. I must do this. What? How is this working? Is this not rebaking? Oh, this isn't even baking. Confused. This will make it rebake, right? So changing warp points doesn't trigger a rebake. Also, I think that might be a separate issue. Warp. It should rebake anytime the compiled. Compiled core. Extra. Oh no, I'm just not responding to that. Okay. What else am I missing from here? Extra link. Can't see anyone, right?
I'll give you a call later on.
So anytime the warp data changes, we do this. So that's the first thing. Just a bit of this here, stop that. Oops. Okay, alright, now it triggers a rebake. Okay, maybe that was the entire issue. Guess so. Lovely stuff. Okay, that is both of these fixed. That's not the only thing I did. What else did I do here? Fix stuff. Issue plus other stuff. This would come later because I haven't sorted out Carnival yet. I didn't finish testing input buffers. Loopback is working, I know, because I was testing it yesterday. This is all working now. I fixed the problem with it reading from the wrong part of the buffer once it loops around. This should be fine now. Can resize it. Right. Is that my microphone? Hello, hello, hello. Microphone. Let's check this works. I haven't tested this at all yet. Hello, hello. This is my microphone. Why does it say threshold value, gain value? That's a bug. Does this work? No. So unchecking enable doesn't work. Okay. It's just not initialized, it looks like. Hello, hello. Okay. Hold on, let me just check if monitor works. Hello? 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 It doesn't. Okay. There's no effect. There's no effect. Where do those checkboxes live? I think I have something called an input panel header. Which let's see. So it just does this. Guess maybe it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't even work for loopback. Okay. It's creating an action. This -1 is a special ID for that refers to the loopback buffer. Maybe I should actually decorate that. History disk. Put. Or I could also just hold on. jQuery get name. Describe. Back.
Mississippi in about 1943. I don't quite recollect where I ended up, but it was somewhere that I shouldn't have been. Now there are things when I look back and start thinking, man, where did my life go? Well, you know what? There's one thing I never ask myself. That is, where am I gonna be tomorrow? When this whole damn world just keeps on changing. And when this whole damn world won't ever be the same. When this whole damn world just keeps on changing. Because this whole damn world won't ever be the same. I'm gonna ride this train right down to the graveyard. I'm gonna ride this train right down to my grave. I'm gonna ride this train right down to the graveyard. I'm gonna ride this train right down to my grave.
What?
Now there are some things you just gotta understand that a man just likes to do. Like kicking back and holding a brew. There are times
I'm
when I
confused.
indulge myself and get real melancholy.
This file does seem to exist. What's happening?
But I didn't partake today.
Oh. Okay. It's just Visual Studio being terrible, I guess. Oh, I found it.
I'm gonna ride this train right down to the graveyard. I'm gonna ride this train right down to my grave. When the whole damn world just keeps on changing. When the whole damn world will never be the same. When the whole damn world just keeps on changing. When the whole damn world will never be the same. When the whole damn world just keeps on changing. When the whole damn world will never be the same.
Okay. So that was not the bug that I was working on. Right. So what happens when... So I want to look in... I don't know what effect this actually is supposed to have. Well, I know what it's supposed to do, but... input buffer flags. Where do I react to this? Here. No. I can't remember how input buffers get like turned on and off, but also the monitor. How does the monitoring work? Monitor. Where does this even get passed in? Monitor. Okay, that's whether that happens. Monitor. This is just checking the flags on this, which is, oh, compiled, yeah, compile, compiler, capture. Oh, I just don't set the flags. Oh, you idiot. I just forgot to do it, okay. Oh, that's probably, that's the entire bug then. I see. Yeah, that would affect both enabled and monitor. Okay, let's check if monitor works. Hello? Hello? Check if enabled. Hello, hello, hello? Okay, good. Okay, this is scary sometimes. Okay, that works. I don't know if that comes through in OBS, but that is working. Okay. Does changing the name work? I need to just check that. Okay. What about undo, redo? What about fuzz testing this shit? Oh, okay. What happened here? Change selected input buffer. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is supposed to find because it might have been erased. The selected input buffer changed, and also the previous one doesn't exist anymore. I think that's what's happening here. So it doesn't make sense to do get. What we should do instead is find. But that function doesn't exist. Okay. Let's check off these ones. Just try and replicate what I did before, which was to do this. And then I was like, blah, 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 blah. And then fuzz test. Oh no, I changed the name. Oh, please turn off. Oh, okay. Still crashed eventually. Oh, you need to check that, Digad. Very good. Microphone. Turn it off, on and off, on and off, and on and off and on. And then rename it. And then test it. Whoa, look how stable it is. Oh, you can even hear it coming through. Oh my god, so stable. Oh, that got stuck. I'm not gonna worry about that. Fuck that. Okay, so the gain and threshold sliders. Let's see, sliders. So input panel header. I'm going to change the way this works. Input panel header. I'm just going to pass in instead this, which gives me all the information I need. Get rid of these. Just simplify this interface. This is how Juan P. Bolivar would do it. That's what I'm always asking myself, how would Juan P. do it? Okay. Caps doesn't exist. Where are the caps? Is it front end? No, it would be in UI. Input buffer. Yeah. should have functions for these already, but I don't, it seems. I could do this differently. How should I do it? I want to do it differently. Let me just change. So the way that I've refactored things in the last couple of months, I just have all of these opportunities to improve things and make things less error prone by just continuing to refactor things, I guess. But I have like the opportunity to refactor things in ways that I couldn't before to like make things a lot cleaner. So things like this. I can just now pass in a couple of persistent data structures representing all the state that I need. Yeah. I could actually just go. Let's do this. Set. And set selected. And here I would pass in the UI input buffer as well. UI, like this. It's just cleaner to do it like this. Get rid of these. Same thing here. No, these should be the same function. The npip panel header only ever shows the selected buffer anyway, so just say set. Yeah, that makes sense. If that's the case, then why do I have this variable? Oh, no, that is, oh, yeah. No, I changed my mind. Yeah, this is not the header, this is the actual panel, so I do need two functions, one to set selected. Okay. So if the ID is selected, then we do set on the header. So that's rolled into one function now. And then we have a map of the controls. ID set that. Okay, so now this will be different. No, UI here. So now we, at this point, get the gem and the UI, which is much cleaner to do it here. Cool. I have to stop in a minute because my family is on the way and I'm not dressed yet. Do this like this instead. What's the problem? These flag sets. Yes. So now what are the flags here? Enabled motor auto named. So if either of these changed, then do the whole thing again.
This is the construct. It's our loading program.
And just get rid of these.
Clothing, equipment, weapons, training simulations. Anything. Your clothes are different, the plugs in your arms, and they're gone.
As soon as this is building, I have to stop, unfortunately.
Is the mental projection of your digital self.
Wait, I didn't even fix anything there, did I? I just refactored things. That didn't change anything. Everything's just, everything's the same. Yeah, I meant to fix the gain and threshold thing. Oh, now both both buffers are on top of each other, I think. Okay, so I actually broke things. Fuck. That's not where I wanted to stop. Input panel. Input panel. Need to stop. First of all, this should be... This is also wrong, I just realized. Okay. So selected. Shit, I don't want to stop here. I can't stop here. Fuck, I have to leave. Damn. Yeah, I broke this. This doesn't make sense, what I just did. Fuck. It could make sense if I had more time to spend on it, but I've got to leave. Okay, I'll just leave myself what to do. I don't have time, I gotta leave.